Home Remedies presents The Japanese Secret to Look 10 Years Younger Than Your Age. The skin on the face is the most sensitive and thin when compared to the rest of the body. Hence, wrinkles on the face are quite common. Neck wrinkles are also seen where the neck also tends to start sagging with age. The remedy I will share with you today is brilliant in its own way. I want everyone to try it right away. Let's now see how to make it. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Ingredients: raw rice 3 teaspoon, water 1 cup, warm milk 1 tablespoon, honey 1 tablespoon. Preparation: take a pot and add 3 teaspoon of rice to it. Wash it and add water to it. Cook the rice for 5 minutes or until completely cooked. Then strain the water and keep it aside for later use. Now take a bowl and put the cooked rice in it. Mash them completely and add 1 tablespoon of warm milk in it and honey to it and mix thoroughly to make a smooth paste. Rice is loaded with vitamins, minerals and amino acids that are essential for maintaining healthy, beautiful skin. Rice water contains that nourishing antioxidant ferulic acid as well as allantoin, an organic compound that helps soothe and heal skin. Application: clean your face and now apply the generous amount of mask prepared to your face with the help of a brush. Leave the mask for about 15 minutes. Once dry, remove it from your face using a wet cloth. Once done, dip a cotton in the rice water that we have saved earlier and apply it evenly on your face. You can keep the remaining amount in the fridge and use within 2 days. You can do this face mask routine twice a day. You can use rice water daily. Use this routine every day for a whole week and you will see a big difference in your skin. Your skin will become beautiful and glowing, and it will also reduce aging effects from your skin. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.